Day to day, Mark here. I'm at you from the south of Thailand. Thanks for checking out my Atomic DFY review and bonuses. Hope you enjoy it. Let's head inside. Alright, what's up? We're back sitting here in front of the computer after a nice ride outside in the sunshine. Over here at my website, ourbestidea.com. Okay, so this is my review, little sneak peek, honest review of Atomic DFY. So Atomic DFY review, done for you, put out by the vendor, this handsome guy here, simple Canadian dude with his Blue Jay hat on, Brendan Mace, and also I guess his partner Jono Armstrong. And it launches on September 29th, which is Sunday, 11 a.m. Eastern New York time. Okay, so the front end is $22.95, but there is an early bird price for, I think it's for the first 6 hours, and it'll be $19.97, so 20 bucks. Then it'll go up to $22.95, and then it goes up to $24.95. I'm not sure how that works, but either way, you get there early at this time, you'll get the best price. And if you click through here, I'll show you my bonuses and why you need them in a minute. And this is like a newbie friendly setup, but I thought that it was missing something, so I put together, you'll see over here, I'll go to my bonus site here, and then you get there by clicking that button, or you can go direct there. I'll leave a link. If you're on the YouTube video, you can go direct here and see my insane bonuses. And one of the first bonuses I wanted to give was, if we scroll down to the page here, you get them, by the way, by clicking on this button, turn green, you go over to the sales page, and you'll get all my bonuses, which will be in the back end of Warrior Plus. I got 6 bonuses in here, and the vendor bonuses as well, so you got a whack of bonuses. But basically I put this together. It's called the Ninja Master Kickstart. You'll be more self-explanatory as I'll show you inside the software, but you need this if you're a beginner or really anybody that kind of missing. I'll show you what I'm talking about, so stay tuned for that. Let's go check it out. What is it? Is it going to work for you? Is it a scam? Do you need it? Okay, we're over here at the sales page. We can skim through this, check it out. Tired of having to do all the work? Go Atomic. Get free traffic, digital assets, and monetization. 100% done for you. So that's cool. Beginner friendly, 30-day money back guarantee. We already seen the Brendan Mace, simple guy. And then it says 4 easy steps take you from zero to profits. So if you never made anything before online, number 1, done for you. 2, click monetization. 3, free traffic. And 4, and profit. So we'll head into the members area in a second here. Show you more in-depth stuff. So it says no funnels, you don't need anything, it's all in one. Like I say, you can see this for yourself, literally the whole shebang. Okay, shebang means something in different languages, so we hope it's okay for you. But that's cool, and it's a software course, so you got it online, nothing to download. And you get 50 done for you assets, which is, we'll show you in a minute inside. And then you do a 1-click monetization. And so you can either do a money page or a lead page, depending on where you're at in your marketing. And then you got 20 done for you Atomic traffic taps. Okay, so we'll do all that because it says less than 5 minutes. Let's see if that's true. Let's head over there now and see what's up. Okay, here we are in the members area. So as I mentioned earlier, it's a software but hosted online, so there's nothing to download. Everything's here hosted for you and stuff, so you don't have to worry. And then you have, okay, we'll do a real simple test here. It's really simple in here. There's not a lot of stuff. There's no training or stuff. That's the reason I'm going to put together a bonus here to show you a little bit more if you're interested in that. But basically, let's do the 1, 2, 3 profit. Boom. So let's go over to the assets first. We can look at that. You can import your own. You've got a bunch of these set up already. Most of them look like there's not like any affiliate marketing or things like that. I guess maybe work at home mom, but it's a wide variety of stuff. A lot of like say ClickBank or Max Bounty or some other places you could monetize it with. But like I say, we'll get into that later because they don't seem to show you any of that. And so say we wanted to do this cosmetic surgery, we'll just grab that one, which would be in the anti-aging. So boom. So we want to monetize. We want to get the lead page or high ticket offer. So right now we want to collect leads, would be the simplest if you're a beginner. Later you can do that. Like I say, I can show you more in the training here, my bonus training. So right now we'll just click the lead page. We can just select any lead page. We'll look down here. We can either preview it, but right now we'll just select it. We got cosmetic surgery. We'll say request transfer. Okay, try to find it. These would be from the other guys checking all this out. So we've got a few of these already. Okay, so we'd have to do the edit first before we launch it because we got to add some information. There's your link for their page to copy there, so you can add that to wherever you want. You got your monetization link if you want. So that would be, you know, like I said earlier, whatever it is, if you'd had like an anti-aging cosmetic surgery, or you're just going to give away the ebook or whatever on the simple lead pages and you don't really need anything there, but you might want to put something in there if you want. You got check your different headlines out. You got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's just check 4. Don't be a nightmare. So it's all different kinds of styles, and that's a good one there. Say we use that one, and then we got select your autoresponder. So I don't have one. Save my leads locally. That's cool. I use get response, so let's see what that would be. If you want to, on my ourbestidea.com, there's a free trial of get response if you want to do that. So you would check the campaign, go get your API key. Let's just say for now, I want to say, how do I save my leads locally? Okay, let's just view that. Okay, that looks pretty good. I'm not sure where you would save them there, but doesn't matter for now. We would say that, and we would say save changes. Oh, I see. So your leads you can download here if you had any leads. That's cool. So we'll say launch. Then you would just launch it and you would order a strike. So boom, 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 there you go. And you would end it to your Facebook, Blogger, Dig, whatever you want. You've got Tumblr, Reddit, Pinterest. So imagine you would send this, you would have to set everything up yourself, right? So let's just see if that works. Yeah, so it would go to my guy already, sign up, log in and tweet. So they aren't pre-made accounts, they would be your own accounts. So you'd have to set up either separate accounts, so you'd set up all these prior to sending out all the traffic. Some of these I'm not familiar with, but a lot of them I use already. Okay, so that's cool. And that's it. So that's the way you would do it with that one. Boom! As simple as that. Gone collecting leads. So that's pretty cool. If you don't have anything set up like that, then you just run the traffic there. You could also figure out other traffic to run, and I've added a couple things in my bonuses for that. You can check out. We'll go there in a minute, but just for now, let's have some more fun, and we'll try about the money thing. We'll do the same guy again. Select that. Cosmetic surgery. This time we'll pick monetized page, so the money pages. And any templates we want, we'll stick with the same color theme. We'll select that guy, request the transfer. Boom, boom, boom. Actually works pretty fast. Okay, so we're gonna edit this one again. Okay, so we would copy that link, probably there, right? Yeah, beauty. And then we could add our affiliate link. So again, doesn't give you any information on that, and I'll show you that in my bonus training if you're interested in that. If you want to go this route, make some money. Okay, again, the same kind of headlines. Let's pick the same one. See how it looks on there. This time you got a bit of a summary. So let's just view that page to see what it looks like. Okay, so it gives you a bit of an article there. And then you can download again the PDF. Okay, we still haven't seen the PDF yet, so depends how much you want to go here. We'll save changes. The giveaway PDF I'm talking about. There you go there. Okay, now we're gonna go order a strike. With this one, we pretend we had that all set up. So we're gonna pick our assets again. Let's go in cosmetic surgery. Okay, so same thing. Boom, 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 boom. And that's sent out on there. Social media traffic. So that's what they're talking about on that one. Oh yeah, and the page you would be sending traffic, you could copy this and put it on your website, I gather, or keep it on there, send it to wherever that link is at the top there. And so they give you a little bit there, and you could download, so that would right click and save the PDF, and this one would be your affiliate link. Okay, one more thing is this source code, so just checking that out. So what you can do is you can download the articles. So let's try that, check it out, show you the PDF at the same time. So here's the whack of articles. It's a zip file. When you open it up, you got a text file and a doc file. So you can check it all out. How many words? There you got like 500 words. So there's a bunch of stuff you could use to put on your website or add to your content, I guess, or use it up there or spin it or whatever you want to do. And you got a whack of stuff there, which is cool. And then if we check the PDF, which we download, there you go. Gives you all the contents, introduction. Okay, so it's just a short PDF. Okay, so that was a quick overview. All the PDFs, I've downloaded a few there. They're all the same. There's no pictures in them or anything. They're just short little PDF guys, which is cool if you don't give them people and you can upsell them to something else. But what I would say is I would download them myself, add pictures to them and put them up, and that comes to our bonuses. I'll show you how to do that. You could import them back in here. So I'll go to my insane bonuses, the link's down below. And to get these bonuses, this is where that video will go. You can check out my page, and if we head down here, it gives you more information on what's going on, what we already discussed. Gives the demo here with Brendan. And boom! Click on this button here to get my bonuses. So my first bonus is going to be the missing training. So if you notice inside, there was no training, there was nothing going on. So if you are new, or even if you been around for a while and you want to get more information, maybe you're not making money yet, I can show you in the back end of ClickBank, Max Bounty, different market health, where you can get stuff to make money. And also you can use it actually as affiliate marketing stuff if you wanted. So I'll get in there and I'll give you my custom ninja master bonus tutorial, tricks and tips to increase your profits faster and get ahead of the competition, because other guys are going to use that and they'll just throw it out there. So if you think about it yourself, depending on you, if you're anything like I am, you're thinking the same way. If you download a PDF, picture's worth 1,000 words, right? So if you're looking at that, you can kind of add a couple of pictures, a nice cover on there, change the title, maybe do some keyword research, what's selling, what's not. Even we use a cosmetic surgery, so we go into the anti-aging, figure out what a better title is, so that way that's selling, and go check out what you can monetize it with. So that's what I put in here. I can show you where to make covers, where to do fast keyword research, things like that. Just put together a short little tutorial that'll help out with you with that. And my second bonus here is introduction to affiliate marketing. If you've never done any more, you can grab that. A little in-depth on that. Number 3 is how to build a buyers list. So you want to get buyers, not just freebie guys on the freebie seekers on your download. And then you can get here, this is cool. This is by Brendan, and it's how to start an email business that you can make 10 grand. just go over and check it out here. This is inside his training. You get all this here. This is awesome. Okay, so bonus number 5 is going to be Bing Ads by Jono's Bing Ads course. This is pretty good. It's quite a full campaign walkthrough. You can check it out where to get free vouchers to grab to run some Bing ads. So if you want to set up your pages and run some Bing ads, that's excellent. And Bing ads are one of the cheaper ones, right? More than Google ads and stuff. So, and bonus number 6 is another tutorial. This is Brendan's first course that he originally sold. I think there's like sold over almost 8,000 copies now. So if we check that out, there it is there. Again, he's got all his 0-hour workdays guide, and he's got free traffic sources, more here, buying traffic. This is awesome. If you've never seen that before, there's free access to that and my bonuses for you. And good, great training. And then you've got all the vendor bonuses here. So you got agency rights, which means that you can sell it all to other people. You got the rights to sell this this whole inside here for you, right? You got access to that, which is cool. That's worth it just for the course itself. And then you've got 10 more done for you affiliate campaigns. Remember I was saying there wasn't many affiliate stuff in there, so they've added that bonus here for you, which is cool. And you get 80 done for you lead magnets, so another 80 on top of the 50, I guess. So that's awesome. Awesome sauce, dude. Okay, and then 60-minute training seminar with Brendan. He goes through and tells you there what's happening. Okay, so if you grab them through my link, you'll get the bonuses in the back here. You access your purchases in the back of Warrior Plus right here. Check it out. So if you buy through there, click this link, you'll go to the sales page and you'll get all these awesome bonuses. So thanks a lot for checking out my review. Good luck. Don't forget to pick up the Ninja Master stuff through my link. You can find that link below. Just give it a click. Mark, coming at you from the south of Thailand. Ourbestidea.com, internet marketing that works. Over and out.
Please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell notification button so you'll get notified of our next video when we release it. Please subscribe, comment, or like this video.